Hi guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to ban someone on TikTok. Not block, but ban. So to start, let's go to this TikTok app. Pick on it one time and you need to choose the video you want to ban. The video. So to block video, to ban it, let's pick on the share option. Choose the report and you have to select a reason why you want to ban this video. I will choose spam and fake engagement. Let's pick on the submit option and choose done. Good, so let's go to this account. As you can see, this video was banned. But if you want to ban this account at all, let's tap on the three dots icon and choose the report option again. After, you have to choose the report account feature and select the reason again. For example, it will be this one, the third one. For example, it will be the username, because it's our fake. So let's pick on the submit option and press down. As you can see, you will also block this account. So let's tap on the down feature. And now this account is totally blocked. Let's check it. Yes, this is one. And this account is banned. So don't forget about likes, guys, if this video was useful and interesting. Don't forget about subscriber feature that you can find below. So good luck!